guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Pretty. Welcome to this space, and this is me wishing you all a happy new year. This is my first vlog of the year. As you guys can see, I'm in the plantain farm. So here today we are here to harvest some plantains. So I want to take you guys along with me to the process. So with that being said, let's get to it. I know they blow trees, only lonely music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love has in the way to me, I feel the world I'm saying now. Yeah, nobody will be over. Now the Lord that is over. Who's the go to the depart? That's all they need to shit out. And then I really be too far. In time was that shit out. So guys, you see, there's a lot of work, but it's fun. This is where I'm going. So guys, as you can see, a lot of plantains like further. I don't know what's going on. You see through the storm. It's magic every time I look away. I'm here to discover. On le voit pas, on avec. This one? Never strong. No. This one.
Oh. Oh shit. They're too close at all. Yeah, I got me my toe. Guys, okay, cut me. Hi guys, so if you have watched up to now, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. We are done. Right now, this is all we're able to gather. See, we no. All we are able to gather so far. So if you have watched up to now, thank you so much for watching, stopping by. With this being said, see you guys in my next video. Bye.